Kung titingnan po natin ang committee report, pinarusahan po si Representative Barsaga on 3 grounds. Unang-una, Republic Act 6713, Code of Ethics, of course, ang ating House Rules under Rule 20, and finally, conduct on becoming of a member. Specifically po, inakalagay sa complaint, tatlo lang naman yan in essence. Unang-una, yung ostentatious display of wealth. You cannot count that as a genuine political criticism. It touches upon the conduct and decorum of a member of the House. Kung tatagalugin ko po, ang pagpapakita ng karangyaan, hindi po yan political na kritisismo at labag po yan sa Code of Conduct ng House of Representatives at wala po yung kinalaman sa lehitimong pag-criticize sa gobyerno. Pangalawa po, bibigay po ako ng pangalawang halimbawa, ang pag-post ng mga larawan na nakakabastos sa ating mga kababaihan. Wala ka po dyang kinikriticize politically. And of course, hindi na po yan parte sa trabaho mo bilang isang mambabatas. It doesn't reflect well on the institution as a whole.